Welcome to Presto Testing Instruments, Peel, Seal, Bond Adhesion Tester. Unpack the machine and place it on the table platform. Plug the machine into a 5 ampere, 220 volts AC. Turn the machine on by putting main switch on. Sample preparation. Seal strength test. Take a strip of approximately 50 mm length and 15-25 mm width from the sealed sample pouch or bag with the sealed area at one end. The other end of the strip needs to be free. Place the sealed pouch bag on the glass plate or cutting board. With the help of stainless steel scale or measuring template, cut a sample strip of length approximately 100 mm and width of 15/25 of a millimeter. Make sure sealed portion is at center. Measure the width of the prepared test specimen. Turn rotary switch in upward direction. That will bring the lower movable grip upwards upper fixed grip, so that the specimen can easily be clamped in between the test fixtures. Once lower grip reaches desired height, turn the rotary switch to off. This will stop the upward movement of the machine. Ensure that the lower limit switch ring is placed at a position that keeps a minimum distance of 25 mm. First fix one flap of the sample on the upper grip, then fix on the lower grip. Make sure during loading, the display would not show any value, as this value can add error in the test results. In case if it is showing any load value, then take the lower grip a little up so that value in the display is 0. Make sure that the specimen is placed in the center of the grips. Press reset and pair. After setting 0 on the load indicator, turn the rotary switch to the down direction. This will move the lower grip into lower direction. On the movement of the lower grip in lower direction, there will be increase in the values shown on the load indicator. Now turn the rotary switch to off position after the specimen has been peeled off. Once the machine stops, the display showing load will return to 0 and the green display will freeze. Press memory switch on the load indicator to show the peak value. Record the seal strength as peak load. Put 25 or 15 mm